morning, children. Welcome back to the online classes. In the previous session, we discussed the new words of the poem The Quarrel. The introduction part of the poem has been discussed already. In today's session, let us know the meaning of the poem. The Quarrel. Quarrel is an act, common act that found in every house, that it is found in every family, that children they quarrel each other. It is a common action that is found in every family. In today's session, let us know how it is taken place, how it goes in the families with children, right? It is a common for brothers and sisters to quarrel. At young age, brothers and sisters quarrel each other. Even for the silly reason they quarrel, and later on they forget the reasons and the quarrel. Although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they are quarrel. Without proper reasons, sometimes they quarrel, and after that they will be not having any conflict with that. They forget it, right? But how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? Some quarrels start with simple and end with complicated, and after that they forget everything and they become as usual. Let us know the meaning of the poem. First stanza, I will recite it. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. Let us know the meaning of it. This poem is written by Eleanor Fergin. I refers to the poet. Right? I quarreled with my brother. That poet is telling that she quarrels with brother. She doesn't know the meaning, she doesn't know the reason behind it. I don't know what about without reason. At home, it is common that brothers and sisters quarrel with each other without reason. One thing led to another. Even a slight simple thing leads the quarrel and led to another. And somehow we fell out. Somehow it goes. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. In the beginning, it becomes very mild, modest, but later on, it becomes very strong. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. That sister is telling that brother tells he is right, but sister knows that he was wrong. Right? Now, next one. We hated one another. We refers to brother and sister. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Due to the conflict, due to the quarrel, due to the misunderstanding, the afternoon turned black means turned sad. Black refers sadness. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right." Due to the conflict, due to the quarrel, the afternoon turned black. It was sad, full of sadness. Then suddenly, brother came. Her brother came and thumped on her back, tapped on her back, and said, "Oh, come along. Forget that quarrel. Come along. We can't go on all night. We can't handle that. We can't manage that with conflict, with misunderstanding, with quarrel. Forget it." Then the sister is telling, I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Here, what is the main hidden idea behind this poem is quarrel, misunderstanding, then conflicts are not important. How we manage them, how we deal with them, that is important. Everyone has their own issues, problems, but how we deal them, that is very important. I hope you understood the meaning of the poem. It is quite simple. Read it once again and try to find out the difficulties. Right here we have the summary of the poem. It is quite simple. The poem is based on sibling love and friendship. It is about friendship and affection of brothers, siblings, right? The poet is the poet is of the opinion that siblings often quarrel and fight with each other with or without reason, but that does not mean that they will remain upset with each other for the whole time. It is common brothers and sisters, siblings fight each other even for silly reason, even for simple reason they fight, but after some time they forget it and they remain as usual. Carry on, they don't carry out the entire sorrow, that disappointment throughout the day. After some time they forget and they start their activities. Sibling love is so powerful and strong that even after a harsh quarrel, the bond of love will emerge powerful and melt away the bitterness caused by the quarrel. Sibling affection, care is very strong that it can cure the harsh moments, that it can make us to forget the harsh moments that caused by the quarrel. That bitterness goes away. This is the summary of the poem. Once read this summary of the poem and try to understand the meaning of the poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.